This is the range this open firmware runs on, up to 50 kilometers between two modules, 20 kilometers man to drone. The application layer you write determines how that link is used. The hardware gives you the distance. 2 megabits per second data rate. When your custom firmware needs to push sensor fusion data, telemetry packets, or control frames at speed, the radio link has the throughput to support it without artificial rate limiting from a locked stack. The STM32WB07CCV6 is the reason open source access works here. The Cortex M0 Plus handles the certified BLE stack. The Cortex M4 is your application core, fully open, fully writable over SWD, and separated cleanly from the radio firmware. 57 by 47 millimeters. The module is small enough to fit inside a drone frame, a sensor enclosure, or a handheld device. The fixing frame holes at 51 by 39 millimeters make mechanical integration straightforward without custom brackets. The application firmware you write on the M4 core has full access to the module's 4 interface buses, GNSS, sensors, motor and battery management, and programming. Your firmware talks to the full ecosystem through these interfaces. The factory firmware ships with RFOXiA Connect app integration built in. You can use it as a starting point, modify the GATT profiles to match your application, or replace it entirely. The SWD interface makes reflashing take seconds, not minutes. BLE chat, direct internet-independent communication between module users, is implemented entirely in the open application layer. If you want to fork it, extend it, or replace the protocol with something purpose-built for your use case, the source is there. Open source and SWD programmable. This is the specification that matters most on this board. The ST-Link programmer interface exposed here is your access point to the M4 core. Everything your application does starts at this connection. The RTC crystal provides precise timing across reboots and sleep cycles. If your firmware relies on scheduled transmissions, time-stamped sensor logs, or synchronized multi-node behavior, the RTC gives you the hardware foundation your timing logic requires.